In this lesson, students are going to learn the basic principles of working in AutoCAD, and they are going to be enabled to use the basic drawing commands of AutoCAD. Drawing processing programs are used to present drawings in a computer in a vector way, and according to the purpose can be divided into programs intended for design and programs intended for technical drawings. All drawings programs have similar commands that can be divided into following groups: for drawing graphic objects, for manipulating objects, for object transformations, for the use of text, and for sizing. Commands for drawing graphic objects include commands for drawing basic lines, curved lines, broken lines, drawing rectangles, circles or ellipses, polygons, arcs, and so on. Object manipulation commands include commands for marking, deleting, moving, copying, and rotating objects, filling a closed contour with paint or hatching, grouping multiple objects into one, breaking a group into individual objects, and so on. Before executing any command to manipulate or transform an object, the object must be selected. Object transformation commands include commands to stretch, compress, and symmetrically map the object, round and trim, cut, extend, scale, and more. As the screen is often smaller than the drawing being drawn on a computer, it is necessary to enlarge or reduce certain parts of the drawing so that the view of the image is good. Therefore, there are commands in all drawings programs to enlarge or reduce drawings. Text commands are used to describe drawings. Text can be plain and decorative, containing images and symbols, as well as the commands for text processing. Working interface of AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer program for technical drawings and design. When you start the program, the home screen opens. In this window, we can open a new drawing, the previously started drawing, or some of the model examples. When you open a drawing, the AutoCAD workspace appears. Parts of the working interface. Number 1. Application menu. The application menu contains the tools for opening, saving, and printing or plotting your drawings. When the application menu is open, the menus for these tools project from the upper left corner of the AutoCAD window and cover the drawing area and open dialog boxes. Number 2. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar provides immediate access to some of the most frequently used commands to complete tasks such as creating, opening, saving, and plotting drawings. This toolbar is a customizable element of the UI that maintains a consistent appearance as you interact with your designs. Number 3. Title bar. The title bar is analogous to the title bar in any Windows program. It contains the program name and the title of the current drawing with its path, provided the drawing other than the default drawing is open. Number 4. Info Center. The Info Center contains the Search, Autodesk 360, Autodesk Exchange apps, and Help buttons. You can enter a question in the field to the left of the search button to access information from a number of locations quickly, including the standard AutoCAD help system through the drop-down panel. The Autodesk 360 button allows you to sign in with your Autodesk ID and access a wealth of cloud-based services that integrate with AutoCAD. The Help button is a direct link to the AutoCAD help system, also accessible by pressing the F1 key. Number 5. Menu bar. The menu bar that extends the full width of the application window serves as the primary launchpad for almost every command used to compose drawings in AutoCAD. Related tasks are located under different tabs, which are further segmented into panels that contain similar tools. Number 6. Ribbon. Ribbon is a part of the interface where you can start the commands of AutoCAD. It consists of several tabs that have multiple panels, that is a set of on-screen buttons, tools for running commands for the same or similar purposes. Many panels have additional, less used tools that are available in the drop-down section of the panel. by clicking on the arrow. This is the so-called extended panel. Number 7, drawing area. Number 7, drawing area. The blank middle section of the screen is called the drawing area. This represents a virtually infinite plane. Number 8, UCS icon. The User Coordinate System, or UCS, is an essential part of this system. It is also found in the lower left corner of the drawing area and indicates the positive coordinates for the X, Y, and Z axis. If it's not displayed on the desktop, it can be displayed by entering the name UCS icon in the command line. Number 9, cursor. The cursor allows you to navigate the drawing area to precisely compose your designs. In other areas of the early environment, the cursor has the shape of an arrow. Number 10, command line. Serving as the primary method for interacting with AutoCAD, the command line interface is located by default along the bottom edge of the drawing area. Similar to a paper tape roll on a printing calculator, the command line interface displays a history of previous actions as well as a summary of the current actions for which the system seeks your input. After typing the full or abbreviated name of the command, it is activated by pressing the Enter and space keys. The command is interrupted by pressing the Escape key. Number 11, status bar. The status bar is aligned to the bottom right corner of the application window. Tools located on the status bar are primarily focused on helping you draw and on managing the user interface.